Alright, so in this video, we are required to solve the system of linear equation by substitution. And let me explain. A linear equation can, when we say solution to a linear equation, that's the value of the variable that will make the equation to be true. True in the sense that will make the left-hand side of the equation to be equal to the right-hand side. And of course, when we are dealing with system of linear equation, it is always either in two variable or three variable. But this is a system of linear equation in two variable. That is variable x and y. And there are two methods of solving a system of linear equation. That is, we have the substitution method and the elimination method. All right. So in this case, we are required to solve this equation by substitution method. So for us to solve it, I will say let y is equal to x minus 1 be equation 1, and 2x plus y is equal to 5 be what? Equation 2. Substitution basically means making one of the variable the subject of formula and substituting it, and replacing it in another equation so as to eliminate that particular variable, right? This is just like saying substitution, elimination by substitution. That's the way I used to call it. All right, so let's go straight to the solution. So from what we have here, I can actually eliminate y, right, to substitution. I will just say substitute, right, equation 1 into what? Equation what? 2. So equation 1 here, y is already the subject of the formula. So in equation 2, wherever I see y, I will replace it with what? X minus 1. So in equation 2, we have 2x plus, what is y? Y is now what? X minus 1 is equal to what? 5. So this is 2x plus x, that is 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. So I can move minus 1 to this side to make it what? Plus, because it will cross this equality sign. So we have what? 3x will now be equal to what? 5 plus 1. So that will give us what? 6. So 3x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, 3 cancel 3. So basically x is equal to what? 6 divided by 3. So x is equal to what? 6 over 3, which is equal to what? 2. So that's a start about that. So we've gotten the value of x. You now say substitute what? X, which is equal to 2, in equation 1. So don't forget, equation 1 is y is equal to x minus 1. So we know that equation 1 is y is equal to what? X minus 1. So wherever we see x, we replace with 2. So y will now be what? X, that is 2 minus 1. So y is equal to 1. So therefore, x is equal to what? X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1. So if we want to write it in coordinate form, we can say that what? X comma y is equal to what? 2 comma what? 1. So because your answer could be presented in coordinate form. So that is the solution to that particular system of linear equation. Somebody may be saying that how do we check if it is correct? So we can check. So let's check for equation 1. So let's put check here. So if I check, we have x is equal to what? 2, y is equal to 1. So for equation 1, we have what? Y is equal to what? X minus 1. So y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. That's 2 minus 1. So 1 is equal to what? 1. So that is what? Checked. So I think that is sufficient to tell us that the solution is what? Correct. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share. And if you've been you've been impacted by this video and you want to give a donation, please follow the next information on this page on what to do. See you in the next video. Thank you.